Hello friends, today we gonna discuss about function decorators. So before we move on to function decorators, we need to know what are the functionalities or what are the advantages of having a function in Python and what are the capabilities of a function. So my dear friends, in Python everything is an object. Functions are not an exception. Functions are also an object. Means they can be passed into the function, they can be returned from the function, and they can be assigned to a variable. So consider function as an object also, because in Python again everything is a object and function is also an object. So for an example, we define a function def function1, and we can define this function as, we say, print hello from function1. Now we define another function and take our variable as an argument fun, and here we write it as hello from function 2, and we know that this gonna be a function, so I can call this. Okay, now I'll just call func2. In that I will be passing this func1, because as I said that in Python everything is an object and function is also an object and can be passed to a function argument as a function argument as well. So function1. So let's run and see the output. So see, firstly hello from func2 is printed, and then we pass the func1, so the func1 was executed and the output from func1 is printed. So here we learned that function can be passed to a function. Now in Python you can define a function within another function also. For an example, I can define it here like def inner function and print this is an inner function. Cool. And here I can call it as inner function. I can call it inside some function. I can define it there, and then beneath that I can call that function also within the parent function definition. So let's execute this and see the result. So see, you define the inner function as inside the body of a function 2, and you then called it, and hence the output is printed here for the inner function. Now you can return it also from a function. So I can do it like this: return inner function. So I'm returning it as an object, and now I will take it as, let's say, new function, new func is equal to func2. In that I'll pass this fun. So and now I will call it as func, and sorry, I will call it as func1. So now I will call it print, calling the return function. So here I will call new function, which has been returned from the func2, and we are returning this function, so this would be printed as a last statement. So again, let me run it. So if I run it, you see, then first calling the return function is printed, and then we return this inner function, and the inner function is having this line, then this will be executed. So this is executed here. Okay, so this is the thing actually, that you can also return a function inside some function. Now, what is a decorators? So this ability and this